Minasan, konnichiwa. Today, I'll be teaching you about to omoimasu and to itteimasu. So we say toiteru to say what someone said or when we quote someone. And then we use casual or short form with that. For example, おじさんはスーパーでビールが安いと言っていました. Long sentence, so let's break it down. So the old man, oji-san, said that beer is cheap at the supermarket. So let's look at this right here, to. It's a particle that we all know to mean with or and. So we use that kind of to separate the quote and to say so-and-so said. So to and then itteimashita. And the short form of itteimasu is just iu. So that's why we use the small tsu to conjugate it into to itteimashita. And then don't forget the ta to make it in the past. And then for our next example, and like I said before, just be careful. Notice how after the speaker, we say wa also. So, oji-san, wa, very important. And then this is kind of like the quote. So if it were in English, we would put the quotes around this section. So, supa de biru ga yasui. So that's what the old man said. So we just put him at the beginning and put wa. So the person who we're speaking to knows that it's not us who said that it's cheap. It was the oji-san. We can use the exact same pattern almost to say what we think or to express our opinion. We just have to change the verb. So, for example, 私は彼がうるさいと思います. So, I think that he is loud, or I think he's annoying. Let's compare this to what we just talked about with といていました. 私は彼がうるさいと言っていました. So, if we break it down like we did before, just go back. We can see the wa is also here. So it's the same in that aspect. If you see, it's actually the exact same up until after the to. So if we put the quotation marks there, I said he was annoying, so that's why we put watashi wa. But when we say that we think something, we would also start it out the same since it is us. So watashi wa kare ga urusai to, and then omoimasu, which we all know means to think. And that's all I have for you today. Arigato.